Hi, I am Shoeb from the Department of Computer Science at Rutgers. My proposal is on how to analyze the novel coronavirus trend using Twitter hashtags and emojis. We all know data is the new oil. However, just like oil, raw data is not valuable that we often get from the social media. Although some platforms like Google, New York Times, and the National Public Radio give you live updates, including the number of cases and deaths every day for COVID, they don't provide raw data for researchers to further analyze them. My proposal is to take advantage of Twitter platform and mine targeted information using hashtags and emojis. Using hashtags to mine targeted information is not very old technique. However, the challenge here is to process the data in real time and analyze, label, and make them available for other researchers. Here, we mainly leverage hashtags to gather the tweets. Then, collected tweets can be cleaned, and our machine learning model can be applied to categorize them mainly into three different buckets. They are sentiment, emotion, and severity bucket. For sentiment, we have positive, neutral, and negative classes. For emotion, we have anger, fear, joy, sadness, and could be even more. And for severity, we have cases, deaths, and survived levels. Our system would be also able to understand the importance of verified Twitter accounts and as well as be aware of discarding tweets from the bots. We can combine emojis with the hashtags to fine-tune our data collection and classification processes. In my PhD, I showed how emoji can give a complementary signal for emotion and sentiment prediction task. This slide shows how the popularity of the health-related emojis have been changed during the COVID situation. We can certainly take this information into our hypotheses while predicting the polarity of COVID-related tweets. Once we have the system ready, we might be interested in having a dashboard like this where we will have different stats along with the geographic information. However, we would also be able to see positive and negative COVID tweets side by side shown on the left side of this slide. Lastly, we could ask, would our system and data can be useful for people? The answer is probably yes. The former CDC director, Dr. Tom, mentioned in his interviews that data may not seem important, but it enables actions that actually save lives. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.